There was definitely a man here. Well, we're thinking that's either a... Remember this place? Well, my client put in an offer, we negotiated back and forth quite a bit, and we got my buyer a really good deal on this place. Right now, we are meeting with my contractor to review some of the things that the buyer wants to change. If you follow the channel, you know I do a big fix and list program. This one, we're gonna call our fix and stay. Yes, once the buyer closes on this, we're bringing the crew in, we're gonna renovate this place to the buyer's taste, and then they're gonna stay and enjoy it. So they want to put a hood in here, and they told us that it was vented out.
Yeah.
With as short as this cabinet is,
And it's not coming out here, so.
Okay, so we're not recirculating. Okay, so yeah, it's got to be vented out. So yeah, they want to remove this and just put a hood in, standard hood in.
Light.
Yep, hood and light.
Stainless.
Stainless. They are going to replace the appliances.
Okay.
More than likely with stainless.
30-inch stainless.
They work. They're just old. Well, we're thinking that's either a piss stain because it's, or it leaked.
But piss, maybe.
Yeah, right. And then, yeah, well.
Good luck with that. Once you take it out.
That was gonna be my number one question. Can we,
Jesus Christ. They didn't put mortar.
Exactly. So I just stepped in it the first time we were here, and I'm like, all right, can we backfill this anyway? Is there a way to like drill
a hole and try spray foaming it or something, and then.
And that's what I wanted you in to try to figure out. It was like, is there something like a heavy spray foam? Is there?
I think you can do like the closed cell.
The closed cell keeps it nice and tight.
But what if we put mortar in it? That'd be really nice.
Well, and that's what I'm thinking. Is there a way to just drill a hole and then fill?
What if there's a freaking hole and it just starts going down?
Oh god, down to the unit below. All right, so
we just keep filling it.
This thing's taking 800 pounds of concrete.
Yeah.
But yeah, whoever installed this just did not do it well.
But I wonder if we're just hearing.
Well, I can feel it. I can feel it over here though.
Flexing, but what I'm saying is, if there were no noise, you think it would still bother them? Because if we lube the ring around the pipe, because there's like a rubber ring around the pipe, and that's just sliding, and that's what you're hearing.
Gotcha.
So maybe if we can make that noise go away.
I mean, that thing's sinking a half an inch.
No, I know, but the only other thing we can try to do is pop that drain off from the top.
And fill in from.
I think they're working in there.
Oh, I was like, we didn't touch anything. We didn't.
Yeah.
But yeah, I mean, that's a big sink. So
Let me make a note of
if
it.
if there's a way to fill it.
There might be from there, if I pop the drain off.
Okay.
Sometimes you can access.
If we can fill it, great, fill it. If we have to pull it, do you think you could salvage this thing? The fiberglass? Because I know it's got the little lip that.
The thing is, usually goes behind the.
It's usually behind the drywall.
Although this one, I don't know. It looks like a bath fitter kind of thing.
It kind of does, doesn't it? But, so that was our thought process. If we can fill it, then great.
It goes behind, you see.
Yeah. If we can fill it,
Oh, God.
yeah, I mean, it's,
I'm way heavier than you, yeah.
yeah, I mean, it's not, it's bad. So if we can salvage it, awesome. But, and then this floor is, there was definitely a man here, just by looking. There was definitely a man here, because that yellow on top of the yellow. I think my kids can do better than that. The same LVP out here as the wet locations, just because I know she's into plants, so
Watering.
yeah. I mean, I know it's the good outdoor carpet, but they may want to change it over. Yeah, this is the one we found with the best view. And we think there's a lot of golfers that land here
Yeah.
because of all the divots in the grass and stuff. See if you can check his swing. Nice hit. Well done, sir. Well done.